Yeah, I got a backpack. I'm trying to find a location that can actually unbox this guy. And I put it on my skateboard. I see someone actually doing this, like use a skateboard thing on the box and stuff. But I just tried it. It's actually pretty fun, but it's kind of hard if you want to kind of like operating this camera, set up getting shot, and while doing this. And this camera is so heavy, barely even using this camera anymore. Wait, can you guys see me? 2.8, everything good. What the hell wrong with this switch pod? They just keep losing everything. So I got it here. This is the Mckinnon Nomatic backpack. I spent like freaking $399 for this guy. I have to unbox it quick because I got something else needs to do. I can use this guy for the DJI controller. It actually worked. It worked. Oh my gosh. This backpack itself is working. Alright, I didn't bring any camera back just for today, so I can put all my camera gear. Oh my gosh. This is definitely high quality. Mckinnon. Oh my god, my gosh. Oh my goodness. This is not my only setup. I got my switch pod here. I got drone. Under here is a drone controller. Here is a 50mm lens. I still have a lot more, but I didn't really carry, since I didn't really carry like a camera back out here with me, so I didn't really bring a lot of those stuff. No matter how many times I try, just never had a confidence that I can actually go full speed on this board compared to kind of like the longboard. Actually, I'd ever rode the longboard before, but this is so freaking bumpy, and I can go that fast. But I mean, like every bump, if I just go on like a bump slightly bigger, I'm gonna fall the crap out of me. I'm using this 50mm to film a slow motion. Everywhere on the ground, literally everywhere you go there's poop. This is literally just like a brand new iPhone Pro. Then lift it up, and this is your ROP and everything. But little do they know that this is actually an old one I bought like last year, but I kept everything together. So the day when I sell it, it's basically like brand new, and this is iPad Pro. You can ask and I never say no. You know what I say? Upgrade and nice, I can get you some. I met a girl from the UK. She a dime, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring up the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your. Alright, so we just got back from dropping off the thing I just sold.
Yeah, every time she wants something, she call and check in. You know, I answer when you call and check in. Tell me what's the case, what's the matter? Tell me what's your name, looking fantastic.
Does the background look good? Camera doesn't really do it justice here. Oh my god, there's a freaking bee behind me. Alright, so I took some photo with this camera, then I kind of realized that when I used to record with this guy, and kind of like, okay, kind of like that footage because it's just so different from what traditional film. And then now I just switch to this guy, and you instantly realize that like how good this camera is, whether in photo or in video.
No back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lounge with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM.
It's not as good as I think. I'm not on gimbal, so the footage is super shaky and it's just not as dramatic. Just come back and took a nap. It's kind of tired. Didn't really fall, so I didn't really fall asleep. My plan didn't go as well as I thought it would, but I need to start working now. Also get this new SD card. This is a SanDisk 200GB SD card. I never had the SD card this big, so this is the first time. I don't think it's gonna affect any image, but 200GB, that's a lot of storage. I don't know what the heck is wrong with this exposure. Why is it so contrasty? Alright guys, so new dongle. I'm already adapted to the dongle life. The one I got. I don't know if it's gonna look good or no. I'm gonna use it. It's so massive. Why is it so massive? It's a lot bigger than the one I use. It's like a hard drive. This is my hard drive and this is the adapter for comparison there. What the freak?